Right now, sites you visited once, clicked, glanced at for 10 seconds, left, might still have data sitting on your phone, quietly tracking your habits and feeding you targeted ads. Let's clean this up in about 2 minutes. Welcome back to Padded Vibes Media. This is exactly the kind of thing we cover here. If you haven't already, hit subscribe and join our Telegram and WhatsApp channel linked below so you never miss one of these. Let's get into it. Setting 1. Data stored by sites. Open Chrome, tap the 3 dots top right or the small arrow on iPhone. Go to Settings, then Site Settings. Tap Data Stored. Wording varies slightly by version. You'll see every site that's stored data directly on your phone. Some barely anything, some surprisingly large, often from sites you barely remember visiting. Go through the list. Anything you use regularly and log into, banking, email, daily sites, leave alone. Anything unfamiliar or random, tap it and select Delete Data and Reset Permissions. Setting 2. On-Device Site Data. Back in Site Settings, find On-Device Site Data. This toggle controls whether sites can save activity info locally. Chrome's own description frames it as convenience, like staying signed in or keeping your cart saved. But notice the wording when you try to turn it off. Chrome tells you most websites use this, not all, not just trusted ones. That word, most, is doing a lot of work. Turning it off means occasionally re-entering a preference on some sites. A small trade for less data sitting around collecting your activity. Quick one. If you check this list and find a site in there you don't even remember visiting, drop it in the comments. I want to see how common that actually is. Setting 3. Automatic Downloads. Still in Site Settings, find Automatic Downloads. Even set to Ask First. Some sites use confusing pop-ups designed so dismissing them accidentally grants download permission. Turn this off entirely. You'll still get a clear prompt anytime you actually want to download something. You're just closing the door on sites sneaking files in through a misleading tap. Recap: clear out data from sites you don't recognize, turn off on-device site data, and disable automatic downloads. 2 minutes, and your phone stops quietly building a trail behind you. If this helped, that's exactly what Padded Vibes Media is here for. Subscribe, join us on Telegram and WhatsApp for more of these, and I'll see you in the next one.